Hello friends, in this video we will do the lab of MAC spoofing. In MAC spoofing, as we know, a switch will use fake MAC address and he or she will perform attack. Now assume 6 is an attacker. Normally go to 6 ping 101.1. Yes, you are able to ping 2. Yes, you are able to 3, 4 and 5. Yes. Now you can see normally user will initiate ping request. It is not harmful, but if an attacker will send multiple ping request with larger size of frame, for example, it is performing ICMP flood attack on the targeted machine 101.1. Okay, if it will use its real MAC address, yes, if it will use its real MAC address, we can trace back, yes, who is initiating such attack. So let's stop it. Now go to R1. On R1 put command debug IPICMP. Now you can see here 101.6 is the destination who is sending multiple ping request or ICMP echo request. Please wait until it stop. Okay, all show process CPU. Okay, now CPU utilization is 1%. Then go to targeted, now go to attacker, perform, then put command. Now you can see when we put command show process CPU, that was 1%, and now you can see CPU utilization is 77%, 78%, 78%. Stop it. Now again check. Now your CPU usage is decreasing. Now again 1% and go to attacker. Again check. Now 73, 73, 78, 78. Yes. So you can see here using ICMP flood attack, an attacker can overload our resources as you can see here. Okay. Then using logs, for example, debug IP ICMP on all. Yes. Now you can say target is 101. We are targeted device, but attacker is 101.6. Now we will check. Stop it. Okay, as you can see, attacker is 101.6 show ARP. 101.6 MAC address is this one. Go to switch 1, show MAC address table dynamic, that is your MAC address is targeted or not targeted. Attacker MAC address is 3D01 3D0119. Yes, go to switch to show MAC address table dynamic 3D01, not here. Show running config. Yes, 3D01 is connected with 6. You can see here, if attacker will use real MAC address, we can catch him. But when an attacker performs an attack, they normally change their MAC addresses. Now, how the attacker will change its MAC address? Yes, in this scenario, you can see attacker is not changing its MAC address, it is using genuine MAC address, so we can catch him that which client is flooding or which attacker is flooding ICMP flood attack on our servers. Now what the attacker will do? Attacker will change its MAC address 0 by 1 MAC address. Yes, now what is attacker is doing? Yes, attacker is changing its MAC address, and again it will try to perform ICMP flood attack. Now you can see it is not able to communicate. Why? Because we have already implemented port security here. Go to switch, you can see here switch port security. If attacker will try to use spoofed MAC addresses, that will come at the switch. At switch we have configured port security. When port security will receive different MAC address, it will put that port in error disable state. Okay, if attacker is using MAC spoofing or using fake MAC address, port security will prevent. If that will use genuine MAC address, first of all we have to enable it. Go to interface, shutdown, no shutdown. Then try to communicate. Yes, communicating. Here I want to say, if attacker will use real MAC address, we will catch him definitely by tracking the MAC address. And if attacker will use MAC spoofing, then who will prevent? Yes, port security will prevent us. Show running config interface fast 1 by 2 by 0 by 6. Yes, port security is already implemented there. Port security will not allow an attacker to perform attack after MAC spoofing. So this was our lab of MAC spoofing. Again I am repeating, in MAC spoofing an attacker use fake MAC addresses and that performs attack. After attack, that will remove fake MAC addresses, so we can't trace or we can't check who was attacker. So how we can prevent our network from MAC spoofing? Implement port security, define MAC limit on the interfaces. Okay, if an attacker will perform MAC spoofing, our switch port security will catch it and then it will disable the interfaces. So user can't perform MAC spoofing, and if user will do attack using genuine MAC, definitely we will catch him. So in conclusion is, if you want to protect your network from MAC spoofing, please use port security. Thank you.